When it comes to flying smart, there's a big difference between casual travelers and those who fly all the time. Frequent flyers have mastered a series of clever routines that make every flight smoother, safer, and more comfortable. In this video, we're diving into 12 brilliant things frequent flyers do right after boarding that make their travel experience far more efficient than most passengers. These small habits might seem simple, but they can completely transform the way you fly. Before we take off, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more insider travel secrets and flying tips. Number 12. Secure overhead bin space immediately. The first thing experienced travelers do after boarding isn't to sit down, it's to secure their overhead bin space. On crowded flights, those bins fill up fast, especially if you board in later groups. Frequent flyers quickly find the nearest open space above their assigned seat, stow their carry-on horizontally to maximize room, and place smaller personal items beneath the seat in front. This ensures their luggage stays close and avoids being checked at the last minute, which can delay deplaning. It's a small move that saves huge amounts of time and frustration later. Number 11. Wipe down the seat. Area thoroughly. Seasoned travelers know that planes are high-traffic environments filled with germs. Before settling in, frequent flyers take out disinfectant wipes and clean key touch points, like tray tables, armrests, seatbelt buckles, window shades, and screen controls. Even though airlines claim to sanitize between flights, a quick personal wipe-down offers peace of mind and hygiene protection. Many travelers who skip this step end up touching contaminated surfaces without realizing it, but frequent flyers never take that risk. Number 10. Organize essentials for easy access. Another key move right after boarding is preparing everything needed during the flight before takeoff. Frequent flyers remove items like headphones, a neck pillow, sanitizer, snacks, and their phone or tablet from their carry-on before placing it overhead. This smart organization prevents the need to constantly reach up during the flight or disturb nearby passengers. Keeping essentials in the seat pocket or a small travel pouch ensures everything is within reach, making the journey far smoother. Number 9. Check the seat and equipment functionality. A quick seat inspection can prevent major problems mid-flight. Frequent flyers always test their seatbelt, recline button, reading light, and entertainment system as soon as they sit down. If anything is broken or malfunctioning, they notify the flight attendant immediately. Doing this before takeoff gives the crew a chance to fix the issue or relocate the passenger if possible. Waiting until cruising altitude often makes it too late for any adjustments. Number 8. Adjust the air vent and lighting. Temperature and lighting can greatly affect comfort during a flight, and frequent flyers know how to manage both early. Before the cabin fills up, they adjust the overhead air vent to maintain airflow, preventing stuffiness and reducing the spread of airborne germs. They also set their reading light to a comfortable level, ensuring it's easy to relax or work without disturbing others. Getting these small details right from the start helps maintain comfort for the entire flight duration. Number 7. Greet the flight attendants politely. A warm smile and friendly greeting go a long way. Frequent flyers understand the value of kindness and always acknowledge the cabin crew with respect. These passengers know that being courteous not only sets a positive tone, but can sometimes make a difference in service quality. Crew members tend to remember polite passengers and may offer small perks like drink refills or seat assistance later. This simple gesture takes seconds, but often leads to a much better flying experience overall. Number 6. Sanitize hands and hydrate early. After getting settled, frequent flyers never forget to sanitize their hands before touching anything else. Airplanes are full of shared surfaces, and boarding involves contact with railings, luggage bins, and seatbelts that thousands of people have handled. Smart travelers use hand sanitizer right away and then hydrate. Since cabin air is extremely dry, drinking water before takeoff helps maintain comfort throughout the flight and prevents fatigue or dehydration. It's a subtle but essential habit that keeps frequent flyers feeling fresh and energized even after long-haul journeys. Number 5. Set electronic devices to airplane mode and download essentials. Frequent flyers don't wait for the flight attendant's reminder. They switch their phones and tablets to airplane mode right after boarding. This prevents signal interference and conserves battery life. Before the doors close, they double-check to ensure entertainment apps, audiobooks, or podcasts are downloaded for offline use. Internet connectivity in the air can be unreliable, so these travelers prepare in advance to stay entertained and productive. A few moments of preparation make the difference between a boring flight and a smooth, enjoyable one. Number 4. Note the nearest exits and safety equipment. While most passengers ignore the safety demonstration, frequent flyers quietly make mental notes of their surroundings. They identify the nearest exits, count the number of rows between their seat and the door, and locate the life vest and oxygen mask. This awareness isn't about fear, it's about preparedness. Emergencies are rare, but knowing what to do can save precious seconds if something unexpected happens. Experienced travelers treat safety as second nature, and that mindset often separates them from casual flyers. Number 3. Adjust seatbelt and posture before takeoff. Comfort starts with posture. Frequent flyers make sure their seatbelt is fastened correctly, snug but not tight, and that the buckle rests on the outer hip for easy access. They also take a moment to sit upright and adjust their lumbar support or pillow. Doing this early prevents discomfort during long flights and makes resting easier. While others are still fidgeting with seats after takeoff, frequent flyers are already relaxed and ready for the journey ahead. Number 2. Set watch or phone to destination time. Adapting to a new time zone begins long before landing. Frequent travelers immediately switch their devices to the local time of their destination as soon as they board. This small mental shift helps the body adjust gradually and reduces the impact of jet lag. It also helps plan in-flight meals, rest, and activities based on arrival time. This is one of the most underrated habits, but one that experienced travelers swear by, especially on long international flights. Number 1. Mentally switch to flight mode and relax. Once everything is in order, bag stored, seat cleaned, essentials ready, and seatbelt secured, frequent flyers do something simple yet powerful. They relax. They take a deep breath, let go of pre-boarding stress, and shift their mindset into travel mode. This mental reset allows them to enjoy the flight, stay calm, and arrive refreshed. Unlike nervous or hurried travelers, frequent flyers treat boarding as the start of a calm, controlled experience rather than a chaotic rush. That mindset is what truly defines a smart, seasoned traveler. These habits might seem minor, but together, they make every journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether it's a quick domestic hop or a long international flight, adopting these routines can turn chaos into comfort. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart travel tips and destination guides. See you in the next video where we'll uncover even more secrets seasoned travelers swear by